Hello and welcome to our show today. Today we're going to be covering the Stanley 65-piece Homeowners DIY Toolkit. DIY simply means do it yourself. This was rated 4.5 out of 5 on Amazon when we recorded this with 1,890 customer ratings. This is a really nice tool set for a homeowner, a new homeowner, someone that has an apartment. This is a great toolkit for the car, for the truck, keep in the garage, a great gift for mom, dad, grandma, or grandpa, son, daughter. This is a great gift for anyone in your family. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the toolkit. This comes in a nice hard plastic case to keep all of your stuff organized, so that makes it really cool. It's got snaps on the side so you can open that up, and I'll tell you what, they hold great into place. They hold really good into place. So we're going to cover the things on this half first. So first thing we have is a 16-foot Stanley tape measure. Nice tape measure. It measures in inches and centimeters. So has a nice spring, really holds well. So that's really nice. And all you have to do is click this lever down and it will hold it into place. So we'll show you how to do that real fast. Whoops, wish I could hold it. So we'll flip that down, put our button down, and as you can see, it just holds it right into place. Nice, feels comfortable in your hand. Nice little tape measure. That's a nice piece. Really like that. The next thing we're going to go over is the hammer, and it comes with a 13-ounce head. So that's how much this part weighs. 13 ounces. Really nice hammer right there. This has a fiberglass hammer with a kind of a cushioned rubber cushion right here. It makes it comfortable to hold. So it feels good in your hands. Nice hammer for anybody to use. This is a claw hammer. As you can see, this part is the claw. So that's a claw hammer. Just go ahead and put that aside. Next it comes with the razor blade. And this razor blade has snap-off. It's a snap-off razor blade. So you can use this razor blade. I don't. And if you see, it has ridges in it here. And these little ridges right there. What you do is when you've worn out this part of the razor blade, you can move that down to here. Take your pliers and just snap that off, and that comes right off, and then your razor blade will be sharp again. It also has a lock-in position right there, so you can't move it once you lock it. So it's unlock and lock. So we've unlocked it so you can move that out really far. And you can also close it all the way. And you can lock it while it's closed, lock it into place so it doesn't accidentally come open. Nice razor knife. Next we're going to go through what they call, a lot of people refer to this as a screwdriver or a nut driver. Nice, comfortable, easy to fit in your hands. This would be good for men or women. Nice, comfortable. Now the adapter that comes on there, that is for your specialty pieces. So all your specialty bits are right over here. We'll just set them like that so they're Well, maybe they're easy to get out. Let's see how that goes. Yeah, we'll just set them like that. So that's all the specialty bits. This one is the one that you will probably most likely use. It has the Phillips head bits in there, the Phillips, and the flatheads. So this thing comes with all kinds of specialty bits, so that's nice. So we'll just take one out for example. Sometimes it's hard to get these things out because they're stuck in there real well. So I just take a pin and you can just pop it out right like that. So let me show you that a little better. So let's say we need this Phillips. We'll just take our pin, just push it in right there and just pop that piece out. And then this goes in your screwdriver like this. So you can see that fits right in, nice and snug, feels good. Just pull it in and right out. Works really well. So we'll go ahead and put that down, put this back into our packet, and we'll stick that up there. This also, you can pull this adapter off. We'll set that aside for a second, and you can use one of your sockets. So this is the 1/4 inch socket. We're just going to go ahead and snap that on, and then you can use this as a nut driver. You can just, you know, use this to turn a nut or whatever you'd like, or you can use it as a screwdriver with all your specialty tips. So we'll go ahead and put our adapter back on there, set that aside. The next piece that we have is your ratchet. Now all of your sockets are 1/4 inch, and 1/4 inch means it's the size of this square in here. This ratchet's really cool because it has, let me turn this around so we can see the ball bearing. So this has a release on it for your sockets. So if you see there's a ball bearing there, that helps snap it in when it comes in, and if you press against this button, then this lever moves in and out. So it makes it easy. So when you're putting it on a socket, press the button in, push the socket on, and it holds on there really tight. When you're ready to take the socket off, press in and just pull it right off. It makes it really, really nice. I love that feature. And this is a really nice socket. This is a really nice wrench. Really like that a lot, so it's nice. So we'll stick that right there. And we'll just stick it, we'll move it over here temporarily. Now we're going to slide this down, and we're going to go over our next items. The next thing we have is just a regular flathead screwdriver, and it's got a nice comfortable grip. Nice comfortable grip. This is really nice screwdriver. This would fit well for any male or female. It was really nice. I think you'll enjoy that. So we'll set that to the side. The next thing it has is a Phillips head on it, which you can tell is right here. And this has a nice grip on it as well. So really nice. As you see, we have our hex wrenches in here, and this is standard size. It goes from 1/4 to 1/16. And they call these SAE, so when it's in 1/4, 7/32, and SAE is Society of Automotive Engineering, and it's like the American sizes. And then you also have the metric size that this comes in. So the metric size is 1.5 to 6. You can really use these on most applications in your house or shop or car, and you could just slide those out right like that. So we'll just set these aside for a moment. Next you have a torpedo level, if I can get it out of there. And this, see if I can hold it straight level for a second. It's probably hard to do, but there you can see, if you can see that bubble moving in there. As you can see, that bubble moves in there, and that bubble is how you tell if it's level. So this is a really nice small level. Next you have your Stanley needle nose pliers, and these can open up pretty wide. It also has, these have a good gripping blade right there. If you can see little ridges on that, so that makes it really good. Nice little gripping area. And it also has a cutting spot like right here. It will cut wire, small wire, and items like that. So that makes it really nice. And then nice set of pliers in here. So it has two different sizes. It's slip pliers, so it has two different sizes on it. So this is the set at the smaller side. It has a pretty big mouth on it, you can see. And then you could slide it down like this, and it goes in the wider mouth. Very nice set of pliers. They're really comfortable too. They have a nice comfortable grip on them. Really nice. I like those. Also, the needle noses have a nice comfortable grip on them. I would really recommend this kit. It's available on Amazon. And like I said before, this would be good for anybody in your family. We paid $58.01 for the set. And it would be a great gift for your grandma, your grandpa, your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister. Anyone in your family would make an awesome gift for them. Thank you for joining me today for the Stanley 65-piece quarter drive homeowner's toolkit. This thing is awesome. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks for joining the show today.